Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see or find WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive. So lots of time you want to change the device and you want to change the WhatsApp and you don't want to lose your data. So you made the backup on your WhatsApp. So after making the backup, you just want to confirm that the backup is already stored on your drive or not. So in order to check that, I'm going to tell you how you can do this. So assume that here is the chat settings in the WhatsApp. You have to just simply go to here and go to the after scrolling down, you have to just simply select chat backup. So here you have to just simply click on the backup. So you have to just simply remember your email. So after remembering your email, you have to just simply click on the backup. It will take some time and your backup data will be made. So after making the backup, you have to just simply go to Drive. I have already open up the Drive. You guys must have to just simply check that. So after checking that, you have to just simply open up the Drive, and after coming to that, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on that, here you have to just simply check that or confirm that the email should be same which is on WhatsApp. So after confirming that email, so you have to just simply go to the top left corner of the three horizontal lines, and here you will be able to find the option which is backups, which is the fourth last option. So after selecting the backups, it will open up all the backups of your phone, which you have made on your WhatsApp or Facebook or any other application. So here you will be able to find, here you guys will be able to see that our WhatsApp that backup has been added here. You guys can just simply confirm here, or if you want to delete this backup, you guys can just simply click on the three dots. So after clicking on three dot, you have to just simply click on delete backup. Or if you want to turn off the backup, you have to just simply click on the three dots and click on the second option, which is turn off backup. And in this way, you guys can turn off the backup from the WhatsApp. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.